Hey guys, what's happening? How to send Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet. So in order to send send Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet, I need to generate an address from Trust Wallet in order to send it from Crypto.com. So I'm gonna hit receive right here, okay, and I'm gonna select Bitcoin, okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just copy the address or take a screenshot of the QR code to scan it, however you want. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to the Crypto.com website or app if you use the app, and then click the Bitcoin obviously and hit send, and they will ask you for the address or the domain name, and then add the address and then enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to Trust Wallet, and basically you're gonna be able to verify it. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.